Do you want to know how to get free coins on CoinMarketCap? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and if you watched any of my videos before, you'll know that I love using different methods to earn some extra cryptocurrencies for free. And one option is to use CoinMarketCap Earn to claim or earn different free coins once in a while. And in this video, I will explain how to do this step by step and how to get started so you can find out if it is for you and how to do it if you decide it is for you. So let's start by going over very quickly what CoinMarketCap is, in case you do not know. If you do, then just use the timestamps in the description below to jump forward. But CoinMarketCap, you see, is where you can find a lot of different information about cryptocurrencies. I use it daily to keep an eye on the different rates of the cryptocurrencies, and it has a lot of information. It has these watch lists where you can add cryptocurrencies so you can keep an eye on them, which I use quite a bit also. And it is completely free to use, and it also gives you the opportunity to earn cryptocurrencies once in a while through what's called CoinMarketCap Earn. So that's the very basics of what it is. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, it's definitely a very useful platform because you can find all the information about the different coins, also what they are, what the projects are about, links to them, so you're sure that you go to the official sites and things like that. So definitely a great resource if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies in general. So to be able to earn on CoinMarketCap, the first step is to sign up. It is free to sign up. You just go to the website, you just go to click to sign up, and then you just go through the process, sign up with your email. And it will take a few minutes, and then you will be logged in. I will jump in a minute to the website when I'm logged in, because this is the first step. You need to sign up for CoinMarketCap, but to be able to earn, in many cases, not all of them, but in many cases, you also need to connect your Binance account. And Binance is a crypto exchange. And let me just show you, because you need a Binance ID. So I will just jump inside Binance, because then we can go over that before we go to the earning method, because in many cases you do need a Binance account. You can wait to sign up until you are asked to do it, but no matter what, I wanted to show you where to find the Binance ID, because you do need that in many cases. So let me just jump inside my Binance account. So I have now logged into Binance, and this is a platform I use for different tradings, a little bit for holding also cryptocurrencies. And once you have signed up, I'll leave a link below so you can also sign up through my invitation link if you want to support me, or you can just go directly to the website. That's completely up to you. The point of this is to show more about CoinMarketCap, but in many cases they do ask for your Binance ID, and I know many people have asked me, where do you find that? So once you have signed up for Binance, you just go to your profile, and then you go down to dashboard and click, and then you come in to an overview, and then up at the top you see different options, and there you see user ID. I just blurred mine out, but then you just copy that number and paste it into CoinMarketCap whenever it asks for it. So this is where you find the Binance ID. Just very easy when you just know where to look. So I just wanted to clarify that. But let's now then jump inside CoinMarketCap and see how the earn function works. When you have created an account for CoinMarketCap, then you have different options, and one of them is, if you go to the Learn section, you can click to earn. And then a new option will open up where you will see how it works. In general, you can watch some small videos where you will learn about different cryptocurrencies. So it can not only be a great way to earn a bit of free crypto, but also to learn more about it. And then you will get a quiz, and then you will get rewarded in crypto. It reminds me quite a bit of the earn and learn function on Coinbase. I also have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can learn about how to use that also if you want to earn more this method, because they do pay quite decently, and it is quite easy, and it is quite interesting if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies. But you see, these are the ones that you can earn, but right now they have these different options, or some of them do not actually currently run, but these are some of the options that you have been able to earn in the past. And what you would do is that you would just click to learn more about it, and then you would just click to get started. You can see right now, this campaign has been concluded. So as of recording this video, there are no available campaigns. And that's one thing that's very important to understand. There will not always be available campaigns, but then you can just subscribe and you will be notified when there's a new one. And I must say they quite regularly add new ones, and then you will learn not only about the project, but you will also earn some of the coins at the same time. And that's why you in many cases need to connect it to Binance, and they will ask you to do that once you claim the coins you've earned. But you would just click to get started. You would go through the different lessons, you would learn about it. They are quite short, they're quite easy, it can be quite interesting, and then you would answer a quiz at the end, and then you would get the cryptos. So that's how easy it is and how it works. So it takes you through everything step by step. You just need to know where to go and find it. And you do need to understand this, that there's not always earning opportunities, but they do add new ones quite frequently compared to, for example, Coinbase, where it also has this option, which is also definitely great, but they just do not have it very often, where in my experience, CoinMarketCap more often adds new projects you can learn about and earn some tokens. Just be aware that of course it's not something that will make you hundreds of dollars. Usually it's a few dollars worth of the token or coin you will get, which is definitely also great, and it's very easy. It gives quite good value for your time overall, but you do need to do it with the right expectations, of course, and not expect that this is just a way to make a living or anything like that, because that's not how it is. So overall, to sum it all up, I do think CoinMarketCap in general is a really great website. I use it a lot to do research and keep an eye on the crypto market, and it is free to sign up for, and I do use this watch list and all these. And then I do really like they have this CoinMarketCap Earn that give you the opportunity. It motivates you to learn about new tokens, which is definitely interesting, and at the same time you will earn by doing it, and I think that is a great feature. And many people are not aware that it is an option inside CoinMarketCap. So I hope this video helped you figure out how it works and if it is the right option for you or not. If you are interested in other ways to earn cryptos, then I have a whole video about some really great and easy ways to earn Bitcoin for free that in many cases will be able to earn you a lot more than what you can earn here. I will leave a link to that below so you can also check that out. But no matter what, I hope the video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time. It's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.